Hello everyone, welcome to Meticulous Business Plans. We know that healthcare is one of the most important industry in the world because it concerns about our health and it is an integral part of our lives. At global level, this industry is growing at a CAGR of 9.6% and will be around 11 trillion US dollar by 2022. The current COVID pandemic has changed our world upside down. It is a catastrophic event which has caused millions of deaths and crumbled global economy. In business point of view, thousands of businesses have shut its operations and millions of people have lost their jobs. But when we look at the healthcare sector, it actually boomed in the same period. The hospital market in India is growing at a rate of 16.5%, which will be worth around 133 billion US dollar by the year 2022. In the pandemic period, thousands of new businesses have started and hundreds of companies have diversified its products in the healthcare and personal care domain. India, which was not a manufacturer of PPE kits and ventilators prior to the pandemic, is now a major exporter of the same. And this has only been possible because amidst all the chaos, businesses saw new opportunities. And that's what entrepreneurs do. Change every situation in a golden opportunity and help the society. So let us take a look at the top 10 booming healthcare technology business ideas considering the current and future scenarios. 3D printing of medical tools and devices. Medical tools and devices are upgrading day by day and new technologies are making it more advanced, convenient and useful. 3D printing, which is the future of product manufacturing, is being started to use for making medical tools and equipment. It has many applications such as printing of prosthetics, which reduces its production cost but increases quality, efficiency and effectiveness. Virtual and augmented reality gadgets. This technology is being used by medical professionals so to view the medical procedures in more detailed manner. Use of such VR and AR gadgets will be at large extent and starting a business in this category will give you early mover advantage. Healthcare app. Almost every type of business is using online platforms and healthcare is no more an exception. Healthcare apps can be related to online consulting to doctors, appointments booking in hospitals and booking some medical treatments and much more. Wearable health gadgets. Monitoring health, checking your daily physical activities is not a luxury anymore but a necessity in today's fast-moving, hectic world. It will not be a surprise when almost everyone will wear a health monitoring gadgets in the near future. Data science and predictive analysis. Data science is changing the way we see things. We can now predict more accurately, precise and reliable results. Collecting the data about a person's health and predicting the outcomes will definitely be a major tool in the healthcare industry. Investing in businesses that are working on developing the technologies that can analyze patients' data and make accurate predictions that will assist both doctors and patients. E-pharmacy platform. E-commerce businesses are booming across the world by providing large number of options at one place. Similarly, e-pharmacy platforms are also growing, which allows people to order medicines ranging from allopathy to Ayurvedic. One can look at this as a potential opportunity and be a part of this growing industry. Biodegradable products. Medicinal waste has become a huge problem in the current pandemic situation, which can be reduced by the use of biodegradable products. Biodegradable materials such as gloves, masks, diapers, sanitary napkins, etc. are easy to use and dispose. With increasing focus on climate change and demand for environment-friendly products, biodegradable products industry is witnessing high market growth. Single-cell protein production. Single-cell protein are edible unicellular microorganisms which extract protein from pure or mixed cultures of algae, yeast, fungi or bacteria and used as an ingredient or a substitute for protein-rich foods for human consumption or as animal feeds. Considering increasing demand for protein and future scenario, this business will definitely play a big role. IV fluid manufacturing. IV fluid helps in treating electrolyte imbalances, medications, transfusion of blood, dehydration, and it also helps in the chemotherapy. The demand for intravenous fluid is rising since it is more effective than oral ingestion. The increasing launches and regulatory approvals for intravenous fluid injection is expected to drive the growth of the global intravenous fluid market. Medical tourism. Medical tourism is the business that provides services like outdoor medical treatments, therapies, rehabilitations, with some companion services like traveling and stay. E-diagnosis and e-consultations could help inform potential patients about the available options before they travel. By considering the future of travel and medical requirements, this business is expected to grow to a very large extent. These are the top 10 business ideas of healthcare technology which have been selected by considering the present and future growth of healthcare industry. You can choose an idea from this to start your business. And if you're looking for assistance for starting your business, then get in touch with us. Meticulous Business Plans. Our contact details are provided in the description below. Subscribe to our channel for interesting business ideas, startup procedures, business opportunities, and much more. Press the bell icon and never miss any update. Thank you.